ang dami pa pala nila, oh. Oh, parang Paw Patrol. Oh, ang dami pala nila, oh. Meron siguro doon. Mamaya tingnan nga namin ni Kulit pag uwi. Pero look at them, they're got Paw Patrol. Paw Patrol. Chase. Marshall.
Well, now go for hot air balloon.
Yeah, there you go. Great job.
I
Hot
thought
air
you were
balloon.
talking about like the regular balloon.
Hot air balloon ba tawag dyan? Mabuti pa yung anak ko alam. Ako hindi ko alam. Ambos kalamay. Basta alam ko balloon. Ay, nako. Kailan pa kaya kami gagaling? Yan guys, magandang buhay everybody. Happy weekend!